Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 5968 Chipmunk Circle in Farmington, a beautiful brick front colonial with over 4,000 square feet.
This is the ultimate house beautiful property with Victor Schools. So let's take a tour. This spectacular two-story grand foyer welcomes you to this impressive home featuring beautiful windows, columns, and tile floors. Open to formal dining and living rooms with extensive crown molding. And a spacious sunny solarium with amazing views.
This is sensational open living with a great room featuring a spacious living area with 18-foot ceilings and a wall of windows accented by a gorgeous gas fireplace. Open to a designer kitchen with beautiful cherry cabinetry, Corian countertops, stainless steel appliances, 2 breakfast bars, and a morning room with cathedral ceilings and a wall of windows. The first floor also features a spacious bedroom with potential for a first floor master suite, a powder room and laundry, plus a relaxing sunroom.
The upstairs features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. This elegant and private master suite features an expansive bedroom with a tiered ceiling, dual walk-in closets, and a beautiful spa bathroom.
This rare property is situated on a scenic acre lot with a prime location at the end of a cul-de-sac. Nearby, the village of Victor offers excellent restaurants and shopping. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5968 Chipmunk Circle in Farmington.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!